Hey guys, it's Josh from Homeland Creations. Just doing a little video to show you an easier way to polish and protect the top of your table saw. Just take some Johnson paste wax and a clean rag. Put some on the table. And a little extra. Then instead of killing your hand, just take a orbital sander with no paper on it. Turn it on. Now it's perfectly buffed in. I did this side a little bit before. And then all you have to do is just get another clean rag. And buff it off. And then just wipe off the excess and you're done. Saves a lot of time on your wrist. You can also clean it with the sander if you wanted to. Just make sure to flip the pads over or your rag over quite often. Thanks.